you have hundreds or thousands of Instagram accounts. You want to log into these accounts automatically and have them interact. I will give you a tool. First, prepare your list and copy all your accounts. Open my software. First, I will add the accounts into the software. As you see, I only need one step. It takes almost 5 seconds to add all 200 accounts. And it will automatically add the account information according to the formats you have, okay? Here you can log into these accounts using a cookie. Or choose username, password, login. For example, here I have all these account sections that you can follow. Here are some of these accounts that I have added and logged in as required using the username and password format. And suppose if you want to log in with a cookie, it's just like what I just set up. You can open the settings and you can follow along with the account login. One account login gets one separate independent Chrome tab. The Chrome tabs are independent. Each one holds one account login. I'm opening 4 accounts here. You can open more if you wish. You are watching this. See? This login is fully automatic. And you won't need to take any action at all. There, do you see what you are watching? Here, our software has also designed some other formats. You can log in, choose to log in using Chrome, or using Game Login, or using GPM Login. And now, if you want the accounts to interact automatically, we will go to this interaction section and set up one script for me. I've set up many scripts already, as you see. It has all other Instagram features. Interactions on the new feed, hashtag interactions, posting, following, or messaging, it's all there. I'm showing you the interaction functions where I've already set up the script. If you want to add an interaction script, just set up this basic part, and when you save it, the script will be here. After you select, choose the script you set up, and save it. Now I just press start, and the account starts working. And once I start logging in, you see on the screen that I have many accounts operating at the same time. These accounts will operate freely and independently based on the script I set up before. These accounts will interact with the new feed, interact with followers, and those who have followed me. I will do it sequentially until the list of the total number of accounts I have is finished. If you want to use the next features, I will guide you in the next video.